Come all you young rounders, the story I'll tell.
Oh, hello, fellow travelers. Let's set our timepieces back to 1927. Ford Motor Company had just stopped production of the popular Model T, but a new company, Club Aluminum, had begun producing cookware and sold their products exclusively through home parties, even promising personal service in their logo. And in the catalog for that year, we can even find the first reference to this product, a hinged aluminum pan. You'll often see this product referred to as either an omelet pan or a fish poaching pan, but when it first came on the market, it was sold as a stovetop roaster. Since we have a 99-year-old omelet pan, shall we make an omelet? Of course not. That would be boring. Alright, the 3 rules that the manufacturer lays out in their manual are: 1. You cannot put this in an oven. 2. You must keep the heat between low and medium. And 3. Keep the heat even. Now the trick that I've seen done online is you flip the pan once a minute until what you're cooking is done. We'll give it a try and let's see how this turns out. Now that's a sandwich that'll keep a guy company when he's out fishing or walking those rails. So what would you call it? Stovetop Stromboli? Campfire Calzone? Let me know down in the comments.